Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and just when you thought I had opened every single company out there, another one surprises me. So let's take a look what I opened and what company it's from. Are you guys ready to dive into another diamond painting unboxing? I have had this for several months, but just due to COVID, work, different things like that, I haven't had an opportunity to open it. This is from Mystical Diamond Art. Hey, Amy! And it's called The Path of the Dreamcatcher by Gloria West. It is 30 colors. And the size is 50 by 65. So head over there. I saw this on Jeremy's page, his YouTube channel, and thought it was stunning, and emailed Amy because it was out of stock at the time and said, hey girlfriend, please notify me when it comes back in so I can race over and purchase it. And that's what I did. So let's unbox this baby. I also put this up. If you are a patron over on patreon.com or you are a member, I currently have a poll up for VIP and elite members to help me decide what to do in January. I will be picking one canvas and you guys are picking one canvas, and I'll be working on 2 total canvases in January. And this was one of the choices that I gave you. So look at this beauty. Is that not breathtaking? Okay, and the box shows you instructions. It has the picture on the end. There's your toolkit. Make sure there's nothing else left in the box. This is my first Mystical Diamond Art unboxing. And I'm going to put a picture of what's in the toolkit for you right here. Okay, so this is serged edges. It's a stiffer canvas feel. Look at those blues. Those are stunning. Like I said, it has 30 colors and it's 50 by 50 or 65. You can only get it in one size and in one drill. This is a round drill. Crinkle, crinkle. They are in order of number. You're going to get them in little baggies. So here's your 2. Did my 1? Yep, 1 just slipped down. So these are gorgeous. Bring them up close. This one you can see a little easier. So there's no trash. Beautiful round. Paying a little bit more attention because this is my first unboxing with them. Yep. So the DMC numbers are not on the baggies, but they are on your key on the side, the top left or bottom right. It does have a schematic as well as a thumbnail on both sides. So it does not come, at least this one didn't come with an actual inventory sheet. So I will be making a photocopy. It's so funny watching me put it on the printer and trying to figure out where it goes. Look at just all these blues. Oh, there's that green, that red. So that's $4.98. Those are probably the 13 and 14s. I've been working a lot with 13, 14, and 15 right now. 21. It's 902. Yep. And, ooh, that's a rich, beautiful blue. And it's not a huge amount That's $9.39. And it doesn't have any 310s. And then 20, you've got a lot of 823s. So I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite sizes, about 40 by 50. And that, I know it's 50 by 65, but right in that 50 range. She's got her logo right there. You can see the drill field, how stunning that is. It is poured glue. You can see right there along the edge. It doesn't, I mean, it goes right there. You don't have to worry about overhang, super sticky. And then here's your schematic and your symbols. This almost reminds me of like it's got a little bit of sparkle to it, like a Dreamer design kind of canvas, but absolutely stunning. She's dreaming away and the horses are coming out of the dream catcher. My grandfather was, great-grandfather was 100% Indian on my mom's side. And we're not sure which tribe because all of her father was her father's father was a really wicked man, and he was in jail a lot. We don't even know if he's alive now, and he burned everything, and she was too young to remember the stories. She remembers her grandfather telling her stories, but she was too young to remember. They were from the Pontiac area. But it's between, I think she said it's between two tribes. Anyway, I loved this. Gloria West is an amazing artist, and I'm very excited. What I also like about the website, this ends up being $42.95, is the website does show you a photo as well, a mock-up of what it looks like in drill form. So you can see, is it going to be pixelated? What's it going to look like? And you can make an educated decision. So great job, Amy. I love you. You have come such a long way, and I'm so glad that we can support you and have amazing art at the same time. So enjoy, check out that poll if you're a member, and otherwise I will see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button or the like button. Either one will do for me. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.